I'm doing a quick video on how to start up and use the Mitsubishi Dynamyte 4400M 3-axis milling machine, possibly 4-axis if we had an indexer, but we don't. It's got the 4th axis controls, but we don't have that installed. So first of all, turn on the power button. Ready light will come on here and here. You'll hear some clunking behind the machine or some clicking. You'll see the initial screen here. So just to get familiar with the screen, these are soft keys that let you scroll through some menus. Next and back will page through the menus that you see. So let's just take an example. Monitor. Here's position, information, status, and these two lines, and then the soft keys. So I can hit this button and it'll take me to search. Command takes me to command, and so on. If there's a menu on a soft key, it will scroll the menus through. Okay. If there's this one doesn't have it, but let's go to this one. If there's a 1 of 4 up here, you can go. It says 2 of 4 now. Page through each with the next and the back. So now we're 3 of 4, back to 2, back to 1. And then if there's a menu, cycle through the menu here. You see active parameters settings here. Okay. Currently we're in 0 return, so when we start up we want to switch this to 0 return and hit each of these axes to get them to move. So I'm going to punch the X positive and it's going to go through a movement. We can monitor that here. Okay, it stopped moving. Maybe I didn't hold it down long enough to get it to, there it goes. Now it's actually zeroing out. You can see it changing position. Sometimes if you hit it quickly, it'll just jog and it won't home on 0 return. Okay, that one's done. The light comes on saying it's zeroed. Now we're doing Y. See it moving through, zeroing Y. The light comes on saying it's done. We're going to do Z. Nope, we didn't hit it long enough. There it goes. Now it's zeroing Z. Alright, so we got all 3 zeroed. We can turn it to memory. And now we can go to the program in-out menu. Go to in-out here. Input. It's going to give you parentheses, pound parentheses. That's the number you want it to select from up here. And then the data you want to input. Okay, so if we're getting a program into the machine, we're going to put the main program in. So we're going to type 1 and show up there. Now we're going to cycle over so that our cursor is in the next parentheses. And actually for 1, for bringing in a main program, I don't think I need to. So we're going to go up here to the software I have on the laptop. It's called Access Port. It's just an RS-232 communications protocol. So here's the simple program I'm going to put in. Just 06000 G1X1. I've got the % on top and bottom to signify the file. And I've got the settings set up as COM3, 2400, even parity, 7 data bits, and 1 stop bit. And those are the important parameters. Alright, so close that. I'm going to go up here. Sorry, we're going to go over here. The blue button is clicked saying we're connected. Then we're going to send it. See, we're going to hit actually input, I believe, first. Should not get an error when you hit input. If you do, something's wrong. Then we're going to hit send here. When we get a data incomplete, we can go to the file. We can look and see we have program 6000. It's got 7 lines to it, or characters. I don't know, I'm not sure what that CHR, probably characters. And now our program's in there.